everyone, welcome back. If you're not getting notification in Ubers when your driver is arriving, when your ride is confirmed, or when you get a promo, you could miss your driver. Here's how to turn them back on. First, go to your iPhone settings and then go to Uber and then click notifications. And make sure the allow notifications is switched on. Also make sure that the alerts style is set to banners or alerts, not none. Otherwise nothing appears on the screen. After checking iPhone settings, open the Uber app, tap on your account option in the bottom right corner and then go to settings. Here, look for notifications. Uber has its own notification controls that are completely separate from your iPhone settings and both have to be on. Inside the Uber app notifications, make sure driver updates, ride confirmations, and promotions are still switched on. After turning everything on, sign out of Uber and sign back in to refresh the notification connection with Uber servers. So all you've got to do is go to iPhone settings for Uber, turn on notifications, then also check inside the Uber app for its own notification settings. Both need to be on. Subscribe for more